Hello, little ants.
Hello, little ants.
I just said that.
It's okay. I don't mind.
Well, today, we're gonna have a lesson on... The trumpet comes later, Barney.
Okay. See you later.
No, come back here.
Oh, my jeez. Make up your mind already.
You need to play the trumpet after I have announced the title of the lesson.
Which is?
How to avoid a lightning strike. Perfect. To avoid a lightning strike, there are things you must not do. For example, number 1, Barney, at my command, hold this lightning rod up high.
As you wish. But wait, I have to scratch my foot first.
So, lesson number 1, never hold a lightning rod in the middle of the meadow.
I didn't see that. Can you do it again?
Example number 2. To avoid a lightning strike, you should never, listen carefully, never climb to the top of a tree. Hey, Barney, demonstrate.
Huh? What did you say? I can't hear anything because of the storm. I don't know if you were going to say this in your lesson, but staying at the foot of a tree is not a great idea either.
Example number 3. To avoid a lightning strike, you should never, ever, ever stand in a puddle. Hey, Barney, demonstrate, please. Come on, Barney. Stand over there.
Where, here?
No, there.
Here?
Oh, come on. It's not that hard. Look. There.
Are you crazy? I'm not gonna stand there. You just said that we should never, ever, ever do it. Ever.
Barney, can you come closer, please?
Oh, wait a minute. I have a very important question for this lesson.
What is it?
Is it possible for a lightning to strike the exact same place twice?
You know, Barney, this is not a silly question. But you see, for lightning to strike twice in the exact same place, you'd have to be very unlucky.